Welcome back to our channel. If you're a tool enthusiast, contractor, or just love seeing the latest and greatest in tool technology, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 20 insane tools that will absolutely blow your mind. From game-changing tree ascenders to powerful cordless drills, these tools are taking innovation to the next level. So let's get started. First up, we have the tree ascender. This isn't your average ascender. It's battery-powered, lightweight, and rugged. With a max working load of 400 pounds, you can ascend trees quickly and safely with all your gear in tow. Hot swappable batteries ensure you never run out of power, making it perfect for all-day use in the field. If you're an arborist or outdoor enthusiast, the Ronin will save you time, energy, and effort on every climb. Next, meet the TechFlex Notch Trowel, specifically designed to reduce the physical effort needed when applying GelFlex adhesives. Its flexible polyurethane body adapts to any surface, making it incredibly easy to use. Plus, it's durable, easy to clean, and resistant to wear and tear, making it an absolute must-have for tile and flooring professionals. The Hilti Nuron T6-22 is a cordless rotary hammer like no other. Powered by Hilti's advanced Nuron battery platform, this tool offers versatility and a wide range of drilling and chipping functions. Its quick-change chuck allows for rapid bit swaps, making it a perfect all-rounder for demolition, construction, or even light renovations. Coming up next, we have the Hydrajaws Verify Torque, a smart Bluetooth torque wrench adapter that's revolutionizing how we measure torque. It attaches to your existing tools and captures your torque data digitally, which is securely stored in the cloud. Whether you're working on a job that requires compliance or just want accurate records, this adapter makes it easy and traceable. For those dealing with complex measurements, the Extech EX Series clamp meters with IR thermometer are a game changer. It simplifies measurements and provides reliable readings, making it a must-have for anyone working with electrical components, HVAC, or maintenance checks. Golf course maintenance just got a lot easier with the eCutter. This electric hole cutter is designed specifically for golf courses, making perfect, precise holes every time. Say goodbye to manual cutters and hello to efficiency and accuracy. Up next is the Pro Gear-driven Air Saw ST BW710, offering powerful horsepower for cutting any workpiece. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable user experience, ensuring you can work efficiently without fatigue. The RollCutter is perfect for anyone working with sheet metal. It easily cuts up to 0.8 millimeters thick sheets and is portable enough to take anywhere. Precision and portability in one tool. What more could you ask for? The Midwest MWT-P1 nibbling scissors are designed for precise cuts, especially in pipes and round channels. With two finished edges and a robust design, it's ideal for HVAC specialists, plumbers, and sheet metal workers. Bend PVC pipes effortlessly with the Greenlee electric PVC heater. This tool quickly heats PVC pipes to the right temperature, allowing you to bend and shape them without cracks or breaks. Ideal for electricians and plumbers. The Festool Air Purifier SYS-AIR is designed to keep your workspace clean and dust-free. This portable air purifier is ideal for workshops, job sites, or even at home. It effectively filters out dust particles, ensuring a cleaner environment and better air quality while you work. It's compact, quiet, and incredibly efficient, perfect for anyone who values a clean working space. The new Paratech MaxiForce G3 Air lifting bags are a powerful lifting solution for heavy-duty rescue operations and industrial applications. These air bags are incredibly durable and can lift massive weights with precision, making them essential for first responders and professionals in heavy lifting scenarios. The C30S is the ultimate cleaning machine for HVAC systems. Designed to clean air ducts and vents thoroughly, this machine ensures optimal air quality and system efficiency. It's compact, easy to use, and delivers professional-grade results, making it a favorite among HVAC specialists. When you need precision cutting for cables, the KNIPEX 1650-145 Ratchet cable cutter is your go-to tool. Designed with a high-leverage ratchet mechanism, it makes cutting copper and aluminum cables effortless. This compact, ergonomic tool ensures you get clean cuts every time with minimal effort. Mirka cordless sanders take sanding to the next level with their powerful, lightweight, and ergonomic design. These cordless sanders are perfect for a variety of surfaces, delivering a smooth finish every time without the hassle of cords. Whether you're sanding wood, metal, or plastic, Mirka's cordless line offers unmatched flexibility and performance. The MOTIX Cantilever weld inspection tool is an innovative solution for inspecting welds quickly and accurately. It's designed to make weld inspections safer and more efficient, providing clear visual feedback to ensure that every weld meets quality standards. Ideal for professionals in the welding and fabrication industries. For drilling, driving, and hammering tasks, the Works WX355.1 Nitro 20-volt cordless brushless combi hammer impact drill is a versatile powerhouse. Its brushless motor delivers more power and efficiency, making it perfect for heavy-duty applications in wood, metal, and masonry. The Stihl TS500i Quick Cut-Off machine is a high-performance tool designed for cutting through tough materials like concrete, steel, and stone. With electronic fuel injection, it starts quickly and runs smoothly, providing precise, powerful cuts every time. Ideal for construction and demolition projects. Finally, we have the EK SD 50 milliliters electromechanical stripping tool, perfect for stripping all common insulation types from 6 to 35 mm superscript 2. It's equipped with a power sense function for easy, precise stripping, making it ideal for electricians who need reliable and consistent results without manual effort.